And now we'll be talking about how people learn aggression. So social learning essentially says, monkey see, monkey do. So we learn from other people, and we also learn aggression from other people. And the most famous example of social learning and aggression is a study by Albert Bandura. And he had children watch a TV clip of this adult beating up a Bobo doll. So that thing that she's kicking around, that's a Bobo doll. And she would engage in these behaviors, and then they put the children in a room where they had some toys that they could play with, and then the experimenters took the toys away, so the children were frustrated. So the experimenters were taking advantage of frustration as a cue for aggression. And what they found was, when those children were frustrated, they beat up the Bobo doll as well. So the children learn from watching the adult that aggression towards this Bobo doll was acceptable. So what Bandura took from this study, and what we all take from the study, is that children can learn aggression. They don't necessarily have to have negative feelings towards something, but they can learn to aggress against targets if they see role models aggress against targets. Another way that aggression is learned is because aggression is often rewarded. So when you see children bullying each other, those children who are bullying don't get in trouble. And in fact, they frequently get rewarded by their peers in terms of liking and status for aggressing against other children. And so those bullies are learning that aggression actually brings good things to them. And so they learn to aggress as a way to achieve these good things. The general aggression model is kind of an overarching model of aggression that says that there are both external and internal causes for aggression. So, for example, an external cause or an external contributor to aggression is whether or not an authority is present. So if an authority person is not present, then aggression is more likely to happen. Another obvious cause of aggression is if you feel like somebody is aggressing against you, then you are likely to react with aggression. Examples of internal causes are things that have to do with you. So if you are just a naturally peaceful person, then you're less likely to aggress than somebody who is not a naturally peaceful person. Also, if you have a lot of testosterone, you are likely to aggress more than somebody who doesn't have a lot of testosterone. So the general aggression model essentially says that it's important to take into account both internal and external causes when predicting whether somebody is going to aggress.